have told you about me in the last session, but today you tell please about yourself.
Okay, just let me know. What do you know? What do you want to know about me? You ask me whatever you want.
That what is your name? Where are you from? What you do?
So today you are in a mood to interview me.
But we didn't do data farming. But we have land.
Good in the sense because grandparents love their grandchildren a lot.
Ma'am, yes. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm as fit as a fiddle. Tell me something about you.
Ma'am, I have told you about me in the last session, but today you tell please about yourself.
Okay, just let me know. What do you know? What do you want to know about me? You ask me whatever you want.
That what is your name? Where are you from? What you do?
So today you are in a mood to interview me, right?
Yes.
And before that, I would like to tell you that the session we had last Sunday, do you have the idea that I have got very good response from the people around me? They appreciated that video a lot. They appreciated that video because of you only, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
So today you are going to be the master of the ceremony. Okay, Prabhnoor, I'm Kavaljit Kaur, right? At this very moment when I'm talking to you from my city, that is Jalandhar. And you know it very well that Jalandhar falls in which state? Punjab.
Yes.
I'm a working professional.
Okay, ma'am.
I work in the Department of Education. Okay. Now you just let me know what else you want to know from my side.
What else, ma'am?
That's all? It's done?
Ma'am,
Okay. So now Prabhnoor will tell me about his family, about his daily routine. So today I'm in a mood just to listen whatever Prabhnoor would say. So first of all, you tell me about your family, your mom, your dad, your grandparents, if they live with you, your uncle and aunt, your siblings. So tell me everything about the family.
in my family, we are three friends, myself and my parents.
Okay.
And I am a student. My father is radiographer. He goes to office. He goes to his office at 8 o'clock and came back to home at 7:30.
Your father is a
Radiographer.
radiographer. Okay. So what is his job as a radiographer?
Radiographer is a man who do X-rays.
Yeah. Yes. X-ray. So he goes to some private clinic, private hospital.
No, it is my uncle. It is my uncle's medicine.
Hospital.
Medicine shop. Chemist
Chemist.
shop.
Okay.
Chemist shop at the upside floor. At the first floor, there is a X-ray room.
Department. X-ray department.
Okay. Your dad opened it.
What?
Your dad opened it. He is the
Yes.
owner of that lab, clinical lab. So it means you have a clinical lab there. Your dad has a clinical lab there, where
Yes.
they might be doing the clinical test along with the X-ray kind of thing also.
Yes. Oh no, only X-rays.
Only X-rays. Okay. Nice. You live in a village. Okay. You live in a village.
Yes.
So, do you also belong to farmers family?
Yes.
So you might be having of that land where you do your farming.
Yes. But we didn't do that farming. But we have land.
Okay, okay. You might be subletting that land to somebody else. Somebody
Yes.
might be doing on contract basis with you. Nice. Good. Good. And where do your Dadu Papa, Dadi Ma, they live?
Uh,
Grandparents?
they are living in our front house.
Okay. Okay. Nice. So kind of there you people are living together, sort of.
Yes.
And how is your relationship with your grandparents?
My relation is very good with my grandparents.
Good in the sense because grandparents love their grandchildren a lot.
Yes.
Anything else you want to tell me? Your
My mom,
siblings, your
my mom,
brothers,
is,
sisters?
my mom is a tutor, and she's also a housewife. But she didn't has no helper. So she did her all household chores by herself. She wake up at 4 o'clock, and at night she get free at 9 o'clock. She
Hmm.
she give a tuition from 4 to 7.
You said yeah that your mom did everything at her own. Not did. She does. She does. Okay. I'm just making a correction. Your mom does everything at her own.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
now you would say that my mom does everything at her own. She
Okay, ma'am.
doesn't have any helping hand to help her. Okay, nice. So your that way your mom is doing a very tough job. Tough in the sense she looks after everything related to the household,
Yes.
looking after the responsibilities of you, your dad, and
Yes, ma'am.
then besides this, she is giving the tuitions also.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. And now you let me know, Prabhnoor, how do you spend your whole day?
I firstly wake up at early in the morning at 5 o'clock. After that, I do some walk, and after then I go to fresh and take bath. Then I worship the God.
You get it. Okay, continue.
I worship the God, and I take after that I take my breakfast. I get ready for school, and at 7 o'clock my bus come, and I go goes to school, and there I study a lot, study and talk with my friends, and there is an activity period in which we play for half an hour. After that,
You have water. Prabhnoor, ask your mom to give you water.
and I came back home at 3 o'clock, and after that my school is very huge, so it takes some time to our bus to come out of school. After that I reach my home, take some water, and take some rest. Then after that I wake up at 4 o'clock and do study up to 6 o'clock. And after that I take English speaking classes up for 6 to 7. After that I play for some time. Then I take my dinner. Then I watch some TV or phone, and after that I study for some time, and then I go to sleep at 10
Mhm.
o'clock.
Okay, you get up early in the morning. You in a habit of getting up early in the morning, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that way, Prabhnoor, you better you have water. Have water. Keep a glass of water with you.
Okay, ma'am.
You are not well today?
Ma'am, yes, today I have viral cold.
Oh my God, this is really very bad. Having cold is worst thing, isn't it? So have water. Okay. And are you familiar with some specific term which we use the persons who are in a habit of getting up earlier in the morning and doing some exercise or completing some other work, like you told me that you pay obeisance. Uh, you go to Gurdwara Sahib in the morning,
Yes, I go.
you go there. So there is a term that is a morning person. So that way you are a morning person. If somebody asks you that, Prabhnoor, tell me something about your daily routine, then you can begin with saying, I am a morning person. I get up early in the morning, I do this, I do that, then I take my breakfast, I get ready, and then I go to school. But before leaving for school, you are doing so much of the stuff. Okay? So that way, now in future, if somebody asks you, Prabhnoor, tell me something about your daily routine, then you would begin with, I'm a morning person. I get up early in the morning. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
So you are a morning person. Then you told me that you go for walk.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you go for walk every day?
No, on Sundays I didn't go, or on holidays.
Hmm. Okay. Why do you go for walk? You are so young, and definitely you might be playing in the school. You people have special period for physical education, also physical activity. Then why do you feel that you must go out for walk in the morning?
Because in morning there is too much that peace and birds are jumping. We love that. That's why.
So it means you appreciate the beauty of the nature.
Yes,
This is the only reason, or you do this thing for the sake of your health also?
I do this for my sake of health also.
So, are you a fitness freak?
Yes,
Okay. What is the meaning of this word, fitness freak?
means you are fit, fine.
You are careful about your fitness. You are worried
Yes,
about your fitness. You are always conscious about your fitness. The person who is a fitness freak, he would always do for gymming or walk and do rigorous and vigorous work out there. Okay. So you are not well today, so that way you are not going to make this session long. You told me that after coming back home from school, you do your homework. Now let me know, you do your homework at
ma'am,
your
your
own.
voice is not coming.
Now last two questions. One question to you that I was in the middle of that question, that you do your homework at your own or you take the help of your mom.
Sometimes which homework is difficult. Of that I take help, but I do myself homework.
And another question. You are taking some spoken English classes?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, from some professional?
Ma'am, yes.
Actually, my Sundays are very busy. But because you are free on Sundays only, otherwise very rarely I keep my sessions on Sunday. So, what we were talking about?
Ma'am, we were that you are taking that spoken
Spoken
English
English.
classes. Tell me about something them.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, if we have some doubts, we do conversation in that class, and there are jam sessions. They gave us one topic, and we have to speak for 1 minute. And if we have some doubts that why here this come, they are explaining that doubts.
You have joined some online platform, some application.
Yes.
Can you name that application or platform?
That is Fluent Institute.
Okay. Okay. And since how long have you been taking these classes?
I have started that previous year only.
Previous year?
9
Ma'am,
May.
ma'am, 9 May.
Previous month, just a month back.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a month. And how much improvement you feel in yourself, in your conversation, in your spoken English?
Well, firstly, I was taking too much break, but now I am so fluent and I didn't take so much breaks.
Hmm. Now you can speak fluently,
Yes.
but still you have to work a lot on your conversation,
Yes.
on your, so far as language is concerned. But your mom is, she told me she's so good at grammar. So that way you must also seek the help of your mom.
Okay, ma'am.
And so she can make you learn the tenses especially. Okay?
Yes.
Because you, I have noticed you make the mistake so far as the tense is concerned.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
So you take the help of your mom.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Prabhnoor, anything special or specific you want to talk about?
Ma'am, no.
Because you are not well today, so I don't want to make this video longer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ask your mom, does she want to say me anything? Or should I wind up this session over here?
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you very much for this session.
It is my pleasure. Actually, when last time I had this session with you people, you might have gone through the comments of the people on the video. They
Yes,
loved
ma'am.
your video so much. And I got the phone calls also. And rather, when they got to know that this Sunday also again I'm going to have a session, they told me that we are waiting for that session.
Yes.
And they loved both of you because you are
Yes.
so simple, your way is so simple. They loved your way also. And to Prabhnoor, they loved a lot.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.